Motherfoclóir, and I'm not cursing, by the way. This is actually the name of the book, which is probably one of the greatest names for books ever created. This is a real beautiful way to learn a little bit about our language, Gaeilge. As Gaeilge in Irish, a fada makes all the difference. The difference between era and era without the fada. It's era is Ireland with the fada. Fada is the line over the E there, over a vowel in Gaeilge. And if you say era without the, I don't know how exactly that's pronounced, because I didn't realize this word existed. Era without the fada means a burden. So now some people would, when I read that first, I was thinking era is a little bit of a burden at the moment because of the people running the country. But anyway, that's a different thing. Now, this is a brilliant book. I actually became aware of this through a friend when I was on the Blasket Islands, or after the Blasket Islands, and there actually is a chapter in here about Peig Sayers and the whole thing that happened with her, and not with her while she was alive, but afterwards with the Leaving Cert. She became the bane of people's existence during the Leaving Cert time. For many years, she was her works were a part of the Leaving Cert curriculum. So there's a lot of people that are traumatized from Peig Sayers. God bless her. God rest her soul. But anyway, it's a beautiful book. I'm getting stuck into it, learning a little bit of Gaeilge myself, because my Gaeilge is not great. I am literally traumatized from primary school and secondary school. It was a terrible, terrible time. Honestly, I really despise the time I had in school. It's unfortunate. It's just the truth. It's just my experience. Maybe I wasn't the best student in the world, but things like this, books like this really helped me, and I would definitely recommend this book. I have no affiliation whatsoever. I just wanted to share this with you because I think this is going to be a beautiful book for people, especially if you've time to get it for Christmas. So yeah, enjoy that. Talk to you later.